nice to see one or two bald men in the audience. Welcome, the bald man.
Oh, Richard O'Brien.
All right, Baldy. Hey. All right, Baldy. Four eyes. Four eyes. Baldy, four eyes. What a weird-looking bunch. Did you get my list? Did you get my list? Hey, Baldy. Was it the same for you, sir? Was it the same for you? You just noticed it was taking longer and longer to wash your face. Am I right?
That's actually really upsetting for me. I'm going to switch that off. That's actually a wee bit upsetting for me. Aye. Triggered. Aye. Suppose you could call it that. I don't call it my face. That's my face. That's my head. Alright, Harry?